So hello and welcome to this video. In this video we want to talk about alignments and we want to look at alignment guides. So what we have here is a VStack, and in this VStack we have three rectangles and they all have different widths. So as you can see right now, what we have is they are aligned in the center of this container, right? Of this VStack. And the reason behind this is because the VStack has by default a container alignment of centered, right? So this is the reason behind this, and here would be the alignment line. So in order to change it, we know we can just type in here and set an alignment ourselves. And now, as you can see, they are aligned leading. So what happened is that we changed the container alignment. And this container alignment here does two things. The first thing is that it gives a container alignment as a whole for this container of leading. So it sets the alignment line, what we have here, to this position. Right? So every view is now aligned here. But not only does it change the alignment of the whole container, it also sets an implicit alignment for all the views here inside of this container. With other words, as you can see, they are aligned, so this is the line of the container alignment, and the views here are also aligned by leading to this line, right? These automatically also have an alignment of leading to this container alignment. And this alignment we can change. So we can say, for example, that we don't want to have this view aligned with its leading to this container alignment. Rather than we could say something like we want to align its center point to the container alignment. So let's do this. We would add here to this rectangle, to our green rectangle, we would add something called the alignment guide. And notice that we have here an horizontal alignment because we want to link it together with the alignment here from the VStack. So this thing here, so the first parameter of this alignment guide is, you can say, for the linking. With other words, this tells Swift that we want to modify this alignment from the container and have something explicit. And what we are going to modify, what we are going to customize, is in this compute value here. And what we have here is a closure, and this closure contains a very useful parameter, which is called dimension view. So this parameter, so let's just call it D, gives us informations about the view. So with other words, it gives us the proper offset so that the alignment changes to center point. So let's just see what I mean by that. If we type in here horizontal alignment dot center, like so, then as you can see we have exactly what we wanted. So this is again still the alignment line of the whole container, but now instead of this view also having the leading alignment for itself, it has the horizontal center alignment. And this dimension parameter here just turns this into a CG float value so that we have the offset. So we have the alignment, because alignments are just offsets, right? Great. Then let's just sum up again everything. So every time we want to change the alignment of the whole container, we can set something here. And then what happens are two things. The first thing is that this whole container gets this leading alignment here. So we have the alignment line by the leading point of the whole container. And the second thing is that the alignment of each view also is set automatically to leading. So this is why we have on this alignment line also the leading edge of every view. And if we want to change this, so if you want to say instead of the leading edge, I want to have the central edge of some views like this green view, then we will use the alignment guide. And in order to have this alignment guide working, we have to link the alignment and then tell Swift the proper offset with this dimension property. And that's all. So I thank you very much for watching.